I'd like to give you a quick tour of what's changed between Artemis 2 and Artemis 3. By far the most significant enhancement is the addition of adult dosing. To get to the adult weight zones, click here. You'll see we have adolescent type sizes as well as adult. So let's pick adult. Another thing you'll notice is that the default screen that shows up now is the resuscitation category. Also, you'll see that we've streamlined the categories on the left. Everything is still there, but now for less common things, you can search using the alphabetical list or go to the search box. I'll show you the adult dose for adenosine first dose IV. Here you see the familiar grid, and here is the adult dose. I can show you if you choose a pediatric dose. It's just as it was before. Now let's use the search feature to find another drug. Up here in the search box, I'll type MIDAZ to search for midazolam. A change you'll notice is that now we show the milligram per kilogram dose on this search list. So this is an addition to the very useful indications that we have. I'll pick the seizure loading IV dose. A feature I'd like to show you now is the recalc feature. Let's say that the dose that's ordered of a drug is different than what's in the Artemis system. This might happen if Artemis is being used on the administration end, say by nursing, but it's not used for ordering the system. For example, if you're using an electronic medical record system, which calculates the dose slightly differently. So let's say the doctor ordered 3.4 milligrams rather than 3.3 milligrams of midazolam. The system will then recalculate what the exact mils are and also give you a percentage change from the Artemis standard. Now let's scroll down to see what else is new. We've added additional content. There's some more here for adverse reactions, for example. We've expanded our list of external medical encyclopedias you can link through to. We have drugbank.canada and drugs.com. Let me click on drugs.com. You'll see there are some annoying ads, but this is content that's been provided by Micromedics, so it's high quality stuff. I'll show you another feature here. I'm logged in as an administrator, so I can actually add back concentrations. So here, if I scroll up, you'll see that we have 1 milligram per milliliter as the concentration that's available. I can click on Add Back Deleted Rows and see additional concentrations that are available for the system. For our facility, let's say we only have 1 milligram per milliliter at the moment, so I can click on that red minus sign and show only the concentrations that we give. Another thing I can do to customize the system for my facility is with the notes feature. I can click on notes here, add user notes, and we can enter any kind of information, but I'll show you how you can do things like enter rich text. I can highlight part of this and bold it. I can add tables. I can add bulleted lists. We can add hyperlinks to content. So this is a very powerful new feature that Artemis 3 provides. It really gives the hospital administrators and pharmacists the ability to customize the content. Let me submit and you'll see what happens. So we have some notes here, and it could be institutional as well. It could say notes for whatever your hospital name is. The notes are dynamic things that can be changed by an administrator at any time. So for example, not only can we do things that last for a long time, like enter hospital protocols, but we can also put periodic events in, such as drug shortages and what the alternative drugs are. So that's all for this video. In a separate video, I'll show you our barcode scanning feature.